Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the part 6 of the series on how to build simple billing system or invoice management system in MS Access. Please, if you are new to my channel, I will urge to you to subscribe to my channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you very much for always being here and watching my videos. Okay, so in this video, which is the process, we're going to look at how to create the remaining forms. I think this one is going to be a long video. I want to get done with all the forms and then we move on to look at different aspects of it. So what we are going to do is we are going to create the customer form, the customer list, and the customer entry form. Then we'll look at the form for the about the store. We look at that one. Then we will also look at the invoice making form where you can do the invoicing, all right, or the billing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is with no much wasting time, let's look at what it is. So first I'm going to start with the users. No, we are done with the users. I'm going to start with the about, which is the settings. So what I'm going to do is I am going to copy one of these. So let me copy the user and then paste. Then I'll call this one FRM settings. Okay, so I'll save it. Then I'll reopen. Okay, so I'm going to do away with this. I don't like this one. Then we will do away with this, and then I will look at this one to do away with this one. Then what I'm going to do is call this one settings. Okay, so the setting is just a form for entering the information about the store. So I will go to data, select the form, go to data, then I will pick about. Okay, so I'm going to add existing, then I'll click on this and hold shift, select this one and bring everything here. Fine. Okay, very nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the whole of this and then Control X to cut. Then I'll have Control V to paste. Okay, so bring this one here, no problem. Let me select the box, try to make it small so that I can deal with this ones. Okay, so I will delete this one. Then the ID, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the width to 0, everything to 0. I don't like hiding, rather I'll make it visible, but just the size I do change the length and then the size and the width, whatever. Okay, so first I am going to bring in a picture design. Select this one, then we'll bring it here just to hold the picture. Then let me see if I can get any picture here. Go to pictures. Uh, Let me take this one. I think this one is just need something to represent. So I'm just going to select this one. Okay. Let me go to my downloads. Maybe I'll get some picture here. Just need a simple picture. Okay, so I'm going to use this one to represent the logo of the store. So what I'm going to do, I am going to bring the logo here. So the source of this is going to be data. We have the logo. Okay, so I'll bring in a button, choose the logo, Then you have the logo name here. Okay, so I'll have the logo name. All right. So I'll say add logo. Okay. Then from there we have the store name. Just need it to be simple. Can add more data fields if you like. Okay. Then I'll bring the address. I'll bring this one here. Just select. Then I'll bring the phone. Then this one I will delete. This one too I will delete. I have the email here. Okay, so this is just some information you can get from the store. So let me check it out. Okay, let me make it a little more. So I'm going to select this and I'll go to format. I will use the Sego UI font. Okay, change the size is okay. Color, I'll make it okay. So let's go this little. Okay, so I'm going to select everything, make it a little wider. All right. So I'm going to use the same font here, Sego UI. I don't need the font, I just need the UI. All right. Okay. So I'll copy this and choose format. Let me select this one. Okay. So size is going to be widest. Okay. So let me open it up. Check. All right. So design view. Okay. Check it out. All right. So I think design view, you hide this form. So visible no. Okay, so when we start with the coding, you know the essence of the logo and then the logo name. This one is going to hold the part of the picture, and this one is going to bear the name of the image selected, and we're going to customize that in the VB when we start with it. Okay, so let me check again. All right, so design view, let me open up a little with these ones. Okay. Mm, so let's check this one to bring this one down. Yeah, so this is fine. Let me open it again. All right, so design view, I'm going to select this one, change the name to BTN IMG. Okay, all right, so let's open it up. Okay, so I'll save this one. I think this is better now. Let me close this and save it. Okay, so let me go and try that in the navigation form. All right, so I'm going to select this one. So let me pick one so that I can get it fast. And then instead of dashboard, I'm going to say FRM setting. Save. Let's open it up. See. Okay, so I think this one can come down a little, or it should be in the center. Close. Yes. Go back to setting. I am going to select everything here. Select this. Or then I'll bring it to the center letter. Then bring it down to it's okay. Right. So close this save. Then let's open this one. Okay, so I think I can bring it down more close. Let's go to this side and then down a bit. Okay, so let's save. Check it out. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, so design view. I don't need this one. Let's close it. Go back to settings. For the formatting is a long process, but I think you need to know how I do my thing. So I'll wait this one a little. Then I'll go to add user design view. I'll pick these two forms, copy. Now let me pick everything, the line and copy. Come here. Then I am going to do select this and paste. Where is it now? Yeah, you see. Okay, so I'm going to come down a little. Okay, select this. Sorry. Then I'll select this one. We'll align to the left. Then we will change the size to widest. Okay, so now let me close this, save. Let me close this one too. Then we open this and check it out. Okay, all right. So I think this is cool. This is cool. This is cool. All right. So I'll bring this one to yes, to the far right a little. I'll select settings. Then I'll take it to the side a little, and then I'll select this line. Go to anchor and I'll say stretch bottom. See, let me check. Okay, so I think this is okay. Just a simple form for the adding of the store information that is under settings. Okay. So the next form we are going to create is we are going to look at the user list, the user list. So what I'm going to do is I am going to the customer list, sorry, customer list. So I'm going to select copy the let me copy product and I'll paste. So I'll change this one to customer. All right. Then this will go away. I will save. Okay, so I'll copy the list. Okay, so I will say FRM customer list. All right, so let's save that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the customer list. Then I will not delete everything. I'll go to this side and then delete this. Then I will change that to customer. Okay, so we select a customer table for that. Now what I'm going to do is let's look at the fields we have here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so we have the ID. I think ID is already here. Let's check. Already we have ID, so we don't need to do anything. Then this one we will change that to let's let this one go to property sheet. Let's change this to customer name, so I will select this one. copy, bring it here. Then I'll select this, go to order and choose copy. Okay, and I'll select this data. I will say phone. So I'll copy it again, bring it here phone. Select this, change the name or to phone. Okay, so I will select this. Then we will choose that for address. Okay, so I will copy everything here, bring it here. Then I'll go to orders, change the name to, no sorry, change the name to this. Let's format, we just need it normal way, we don't need any let's make it auto, just a test. Okay, I think we will have to add more of the fields, so I'll just reduce this size. And also take a look at this. It's too large. Let me bring it here. The phone, it's 10 digit. Okay. All right. So let's add the additional fields. We have email, city, country. So I will add the email. I'll bring it city. Okay. So these two I will cut Control X and then I'll paste up here Control V. Then I'll move to the side. Okay. All right. So let me add the third field, which is the country. I'm going to select this one, Control X, Control V. Okay, so I will select this, copy the format, bring it here. Okay. All right. So I will select everything here. Then I will say I need a size to the tallest, and then you align bottom. Okay. So let me close the letter, then bring it up. Okay. So this is fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to align these two, align to the left, this, or align to the left. Okay. Then the country, come back at top. So let's say align top. Okay. So you align to left. Okay. So I select the whole of this. Then I will align to, or align to top. Then we select the tallest. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the address, copy the format to everything here. All right, so these two, I will say, go to arrange, we will anchor to top left. Then this one too, we will, let me make this one a little larger, wider. So this one too, we will also anchor to left. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to also anchor this to the email. Let me push this one a little. Let me reduce the size of these things. But yeah, I think okay. This is good, so that we can get space for the rest of the fields. Okay, so this, we bring it here. Let me forgive my formatting. Okay. Then I'll stretch this one a little just so that I can contain a lot of. Okay, so the dates will come this way a little. Let me make it a little. Okay, So customer name size is okay. I will anchor to range anchor to okay. Then I will select this one. The phone to is okay. All right. Then I'll pick the address. Go to this side. We stretch it a little. So what I'm going to do is let's format everything to the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange. Then I'm going to go to stretch or stop. Okay. Now let's view it. Alright, so I think we have this one, which is okay. I'm going to close this. Then I'll come back to form customer design view. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one, go to properties, go to data, then I will take the source to customer list. Alright, so list of products is a list of customers, a list of customers, list of okay, list of what is this? Customers. Okay, so I think let's save it. Let's open it up and see what we have here. Let me stretch it. All right, so the phone and the email has been joined. Let me close this. Go to customer list, design view. Let's check the phone. So phone to the left, anchoring. Okay, side. Now let me check view. Open. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So the email is rather stretching. So I'll go to design view, select the email. Let's anchor that to the right. Let's check it out. Okay, open. Yeah, so we have enough space for the address. So I'm going to close this one, save. Then let's check it out in the navigation form. So I'm going to select navigation form, go to this side, open it in design view. I will select one nav. Then instead of setting, I'm going to change that to customer, form customer. Okay, so let's open it up and see how it looks like. Okay, fine. I think this is good. We have the list of all the customers here. So instead of this one, we are going to say add customer. So close. Yes, save. I'm going to customer design view. Then we will come here and change this one to customer, add customer. Okay, so it's fine. I will save, close this one. So what I'm going to do is let's check it out. Okay, so we have this one here. We have the actions delete, edit and delete. All right, so let's close this one. Now we are going to create the customer entry form. So the customer entry form, I'm going to select this category, copy and paste. So let's check. No, I don't need this one. I'll go for add product, copy and paste. So we say F, file form, add customer. Okay, so we have this. Now go to design view and I'm going to stretch this one. So let's say this. Let me open it up and check. Okay, let me stretch it. Okay, so this is fine. Let me open it a little bit. Okay. So design view, I'm going to new customer. Then okay, so I will select this, go to existing field. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, you change that to customer first. Then let me see existing how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have four here. I already have four. I'm going to copy everything here. Copy and paste. Then I will carry it and bring it here. Okay, I think here we do. Alright, so this is fine. Let me open it up and check. Alright, so I think I am beginning to have a okay, so design view. I will select everything, push it up a little, try to make a close this thing here. Okay. Alright, so I will select this one. You have it. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So I'll select this one, change to okay, customer name. We'll come here, we have customer name. Okay, I will change that to phone. I'll copy this, bring it here, phone. Now select this, change the name to phone. Alright, so I hope you are getting, I don't need this, I'll change it to text box. Okay, so I'll remove this. Then I will set the height to tallest and then align left. Then I'll change to widest. Okay, so I'll select this one, try to copy the format to this, it's fine. Okay, so instead of category, we are going for, we select the data source, we will have address here. Okay, so I will copy this, change that to address, then I'll select this one, or this I will change to address. Alright, so the price, selling price, we will change that to email. Then I will copy this one, email. Then I'll change the name to email. Save. We come here. So we change this one to city. Okay, I'll copy this. Then we'll bring it here. So let's change the name to city. Or paste. Now let me select again, copy. Now come here, I'll paste. The description I will change, sorry, description we'll change that to country. I'm going to select this one, change this one to country. Then we come here, we change this one to country. Okay, so I'm going to delete these two, I don't need them anymore. Alright, so let's open it up and check. Okay, so that is it. Design view. Okay, let me close this one a little. Alright, okay, so it's fine. Now we save this one, we create the second form. So I'll copy the same form again, copy and paste. So I'll change, delete this one, the sub. Okay, so add shipping. Shipping. Okay, so we save. Then I'm going to edit this one. I will delete this and say shipping. Sorry, shipping information. Let me make this shipping info. I think I can bring this one out. Okay, we will look at something else. Alright, so here I will select the data to be shipping. Alright, then let's check the existing. We have a lot of them here. Okay, so I'm going to select this one to be the I'll bring in the customer, then I will delete this one, then I will delete this. Then I'll hide the customer property. Let's change to no. I'm going to leave this one. I'll hide somewhere here. Then I'll push this one up. Okay. Then here, what is going to be there? Let's select this one. Then you go to phone, control source, we change that to recipient. So copy and paste. Then we'll change this to, okay, so select this, go to address, we'll change to phone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll copy this one, phone, then we'll bring it here, select this, change to phone. Okay, so I think the email is already there. We also have country. So what is missing? Let's check. Postal code. Postal code is missing. The email is there. The phone. Okay, we also need address. Alright, so I'm going to bring in address. Okay, let me push this one too. This isn't necessary to add the address. So no problem. Since we have it there, I will have it here. Then I will have the postal code. Okay, so I think these two is the only thing you need. Okay, so I'm going to select this and select this. I will do Control X and I will do Control V to paste. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, copy the format and add it to this. I'll select this, bring it here, choose this and this. I'll choose the height to be tallest, size to be tallest, and height to be align left, size widest. Then I'll copy the format, bring it here. Alright, so the same thing, I'll copy the format, add to this postal code. Then I'll select this one, hold this. I'll go align left. I'll go size tallest. I'll go size widest. Then I will go to format, select this and format that. Okay, so I'll select this and this. I'll bring it align button. Okay, so this and this align button. Oh, sorry. Undo, Control Z. Undo, Control Z. I'll select this and this align a button. I'll choose this and this. Okay, let me bring this one down a little. Select everything, then we align to the left. Select everything, then we align to the left. Okay, so I'll push this one a little bit here. Okay, so this and this the height should be size tallest. Okay, I'll put it up, align top. All right, then this and this size should be tallest. I'll push it up, align top. Then this and this align top. Okay, and this and this align top. Okay, so let me open this one now. All right, so I think I will not need this for the meantime. Shall look at where we can keep this one. Okay, I will delete this. I don't need this one too. I don't need this. From this one. Okay, so let's check it out. View. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have for the form design view. I'll carry this one and bring it here. Simple like that. So I'm going to save this one, close, we go to add customer, and then we're going to bring in the form. So I am going to where is it? Okay, so we add the shipping. All right. So I'm going to switch this one, bring it up a little to align with this. Then I'll say, let's put in something there. Caption. Let's see, shipping, shipping information, information. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, bring it down a little. Let me do X and then I'll paste. I don't want to link it up with. Okay, so here we change the font. Let me copy this one and paste here. Make it a little larger. Go this way. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, okay. Right. So I'll go to design view. I add a button here. Okay. So I'll say use customer info. Use customer info. Okay. So I'll select this. Alright, let's use this one. Go to design view. Okay, so this is very tall form. Just need it in somehow moderate way. So select this. Close it a little. So I'm going to select everything here. Then I'm going to change the size to shortest. Okay. So I'll pull everything up. We just need a simple form. You don't need any large form here. Okay. So select everything, bring it up a little. So just align this one to top, and then this and this I will align to top. And so this will go a little. This will go a little. Okay. Let me see. Then you select this. Let's check it out. So we have a large form. So looking at this one, I think I can do something. So let me go back. Let me close this one. We save. We go to uh, the shipping design view, and I think I can bring everything up like this. So to this we will do. Okay. Let me align top. Size polyester, so it's fine. I will align this one to top, align top, close a little bit, select everything, size to shortest. Let's change the top margin to 2. Okay, still, okay, let me use 1. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. We'll just leave, let's close the gap. So, this one is good and this one, okay. Push this one. Okay, let's check it in the view mode. Okay, I'll close this one, design view, and I'll bring it here later. Let's close it and save. I will go to, like I said, guys, this is going to be a long video. Please do well and subscribe to the channel as we progress. Okay, so you look at what is it? The customer design view. Okay, so I'll pull this one up a little. So still let's check it out again. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is design view. I'm going to select this form, try to close it up a little, and bring this one here. Let's check it out. Oh, that's all. So design view. I'll do is I'll just open it up a little. Let's check it out. That email everything. Yeah, so this is good. What I'm going to do is now going to design view. We select this, then we select this. I will hold shift and stretch. Okay, so this, let me open it. Okay, it's fine. This is fine. So design view, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, then I will change the border to transparent. Okay, so let's view it. Okay, so I think with this we are good to go with the. So let me try to align this one a little bit. So go to design view. I will select everything. Then I will try to align it with this. Don't know. Let's check it out. Too much design view. Okay. More step. Okay. Shouldn't be more. Yes. I think this is okay. Then I have to align this one to design view. I'm going to select everything. Okay, let's do it more. Right. So let's come here. I'll try and pull this one in a little. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close this one. Select and close it all. Let me open it up and check. Okay, so design view. Then I'm going to reduce this line. Close this. So let me view again. All right, perfect. So I think we are done with this one. Go to design view, bring this one in a later. We'll format it. Let's bold this. I'm going to bold it and change the color to somehow blue. Let's check it out. Okay, so design view, I'll change this one to let's anchor. No, I just leave it like that. Let's go to formatting. Then this side, I will change to white. I will change the field color to blue. I will change the outline to blue. Then I will make it bold in there. Change to Sego UI. Sego. Sorry, Sego UI. Okay, so I'll view. Okay, so I think this is okay for now for the customer. Okay, we have the shipping information here and everything. So I'm going to design view. Then we'll put this one towards the far right like this. Let me check out. Okay, all right. So we want to open the form in the center. Let's check. Photo center is yes. We close this, save, then we open again. All right, boom. So this is good. I think we have this one now is good. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so I think we will have to end here with this video. I don't want to go. I'm afraid I can do more time. Okay, so I will end here with today's episode. You shall look at the other part, which is the invoice list and then the invoicing forms or the invoice entry form. That will be also a very long video because we need to do a lot of things in there. Okay, so guys, I think I'll end here. My time is more than necessary. I think we have done with almost 50 minutes with just these two forms. So please guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in the next video. Please, 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 those of you who are new, if you are new here, try to subscribe just to help the channel. Share the videos, like, and give a comment of your thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye bye.